guys, 828 Find Adventure. As you know, I've got a 25 4Runner. I also have a 25 Tacoma, same as the 24. And what they did on these is they gave you a lot of these little storage compartments on these vehicles. This being the 4Runner, right here on the side of the dash, there's this little, most people know about it, a little bitty storage area. You just remove this lid. Won't really hold anything in there unless you double stick tape it or make something. But I bought one of these gizmos that Toyota has designed for these vehicles. This one is the LED light. They also make a multi-tool and I think some type of storage box for something. Anyhow, so they run about 150 bucks. Well, I'm not going to pay that. I'm always looking for a deal. I found this one and it was like a little less than $80. So it's half, basically. And this is the LED light. Let me show it to you. It basically comes with an insert and this light. Now, this light is pretty substantial. It's heavy, feels good. It's got batteries in it right now, but it felt good before. This is the insert. And basically, this goes, let me see here. I think it only goes a certain way. Let's see here. See if I can get this to go in. Let's see. Not sure. Let's see if this is this. Okay. So one of these tabs on this right here is wider than the other ones. So that tells me that that right there goes in the top up here. There we go. Snaps right in. Easy as that. It just has one tab. It's a little wider than the other three. That was easy. So then we have this light. Now this light has these hooks on it. You can hang it like in a tent or something. And that's kind of neat. And it also, let me show you, to get batteries in it, it comes apart. You can get the batteries in it like that. And it feels like it has a little rubber gasket. So maybe this is, I would say it's water resistant. I wouldn't go scuba diving with it, but, you know. So anyway, so you got the hook. I showed you how to put the batteries in it. Right here is the button. Now what this has is 3 levels of the LED bright light. And it starts with bright, medium, and low. It looks like it's strobing, but it's not. It's just a video. And then you have red. I use red at night because you can't see it at a far distance. Just like the old Army flashlights people used to have, the little L-shaped ones. And anyways, so when I'm in the car and I'm reading something at night, it's pitch black, and I don't want the dome lights on to draw attention to myself, I use a red light. So that's all. Anyways, and then you turn it off just like that. Now this right here, you turn it, you put it in, and then you turn it to lock it. So you turn it to the left, and it locks it in. And let's see if it can go in either way. Yep. So you turn it to the left to lock it in, turn it to the right, it pops out. Remember that. Just make sure you get it in there because if this thing falls and hits the ground, it might break, fall apart. So it's just plastic. So there you go. It's in there. It's not going anywhere. Seems real solid. It's locked in. I wanted to share that with you. Now, this thing here, I don't know what to do with it. Now, if I wanted to, I guess I could cut a hole in it and use it, put some change in it, rattle like crazy, drive me nuts. But that's something you could do with this. You know, if you didn't want to buy one of these lights, I mean, you could always, you know, if you put something in here behind this door, it rattles. So you're going to have to put it in some type of a cloth bag, maybe a Crown Royal bag or some type of felt bag or something. Or a Ziploc bag might work. But anyways, that's what I got. I wanted to share that with you. And I wanted to share that I got it at such a killer price. I got it at half as much as Toyota sells them for. This one has a Toyota number on the box, and I paid like less than $80 for this. I will put links under the video in the description. I will have links to everything I've done to these trucks and websites to where I got stuff that aren't Amazon products. They're independent websites and different things. So check them out. A lot of neat links and neat websites you can find, like Sticker Fab and Mace Manufacturing, radio knobs, and you can get all kinds of stuff. So check it out. And like I said, I wanted to share this with you. Like, share, and subscribe. Check out my links, and I will see you next time. See ya.